Alright, so welcome. I'm so glad that you have made it into the course. So before we start to talk about email marketing, about its basics, its fundamentals, tricks, tips, and techniques, I want to share two powerful secrets with you. Okay, so with the help of these secrets, you can go a lot further in email marketing in a short time. So what these secrets are and what you can do with them. So by the end of this lecture, you will be able to have an email list from 0 to couple of thousands of subscribers, and it take you maybe less than 5 minutes. All right, so for the first trick, we are going to use LinkedIn. What we have to do is to use our connections, use our friend list, and convert them into our subscribers. All the people on LinkedIn, they have all of their information in their profile, such as their email, their position, their name, their last name, and so on. Okay, and LinkedIn is giving us this ability to take all this information in one file, so later we can import it in our mailing service, like for example MailChimp, and then we will have a nice email list. For example, here I have 1,800 connections, and simply I can export all of this information, import it to my mailing list, and then I have a new list with 1,800 subscribers there, and I can start my email marketing. So there's a question here. You may say, Puya, I don't have so many connections, I don't have so many friends on LinkedIn. That is fixable very easy in a very short time. The thing is that on LinkedIn, it's different with other social medias like Facebook or Instagram. There, when you send a friend request to people, most of the time they will reject it because they may not know you and many other reasons. But here on LinkedIn, because everything is about business, people will accept you much easier. So there's another benefit here, that you can select your subscribers that are exactly in your niche. So it means that you can select the exact target that you are looking for and then import them into your mailing list. So how you can increase your connections? There are two ways. First of all, you can come here and go to groups. There you can search for a topic that you are interested and you want to do marketing there. You can search there, and there are a lot of great groups. You can ask them, send requests to join those groups. Then they will confirm you, and you can send friend requests to their members. This is one way. The other way is to come to search bar here and write whatever job you are looking for. For example, let's try this, sales, right? You can write that, and here, where is it? Okay, all filters. Here, first of all, select the second connections. This way it will bring the people that are friends of your friends, so they are more likely to confirm you. And also you can select the location. For example, you can select United States. There are a lot of filters here that can help you, like the language and so on and so on. Anyway, you can apply it. And as you can see, for me, it is showing 61,000 people that are in sales, and they are located in United States. So simply I can send a friend request, and usually within 1 or 2 days, most of them will accept me, and then I can export their emails. So how you can export all of these information? So let's go to my network, and here at the top you can click on your connections. At the right side of your screen, it is written Manage Synced and Imported Contacts. Click on that, and here you can you have to click on Export Contacts. It will open another page, and it will ask you a couple of things. Select the second one, pick and choose. Select the data file you are most interested in. Now here, select connections, come down and request archive. Okay, then this way You will send a request to LinkedIn, they will prepare the file, and it will take a couple of minutes for them to prepare it and send you back. They will inform you through email, and you will receive your Excel file. And simply when we get to MailChimp, when we get to email marketing, I will tell you how you can import that list into your mailing list in your email service, right? So that was the first trick. On the next lecture, we are going to talk about the second secret that will help you to build your email list from nothing to a couple of thousands of subscribers. And also later in the course, I will tell you how to email these people so they don't get mad and stay as your subscriber, right? So that was all for this one. See you in the next lecture.